Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Stock Talk with your girl, Dr. E and David.
Welcome
We are
back.
absolutely excited to talk to you about
Mm.
Meta,
Meta.
Meta, as well as Amazon. They both have
Yes.
earnings coming up, and we are excited to see how they're going to move and how they really are going to shift and push the market into the direction that it seems as if it wants to go.
Right.
So, yes, please know that we are not financial advisors.
Not at
This
all.
is not financial advice.
Nope.
We are not making any type of recommendations to buy, hold, or sell. But since we got all that out the way,
Mm-hmm.
let's go ahead and talk about it.
Let's get started.
Yes.
So SoFi, we're getting into now. Their earnings is going to be on October the 28th. And some of the key expectations for SoFi is their third quarter EPS. The analysts focus on a consensus EPS of 8 cents, which is estimated ranging from 7 cents to 9 cents. A year-to-year growth. It is a year-to-year growth, and this is 60% increase compared to the 5 cent EPS report in the third quarter of 2024. So the earnings reports of the quarter ending in September 2025 is scheduled for October 28th before the market opens. The revenue outlook. Revenue is expected to be around $805 million and an increase in 34.9% from the prior years. The future outlook for SoFi's full year 2025 guidance has been raised, and the earning growth is expected to be strong in the next coming years. So you really want to just focus on SoFi. You want to chart it, see what's going. It is digital banking, so it goes along with how banking is going along. It is an increase going, and it's showing you the increase from last year to this year and the prior years ahead. So we're just going to keep our eyes on where SoFi is going with this. And next, we're going to get into some charting with Dr. E. And she's going to show us on the chart exactly where both of these things are going, because it's always about what the chart says.
Okay, so now we're going to take a look at Meta's earnings. So Meta reports Wednesday, October the 29th, 2025. So for the last quarter, Meta reported an EPS of $7.14 and a revenue of 47.52 billion, which both surpassed analyst expectations. For the third quarter, the analyst experts expect Meta to report an EPS of $6.58 to $6.68, which represents a year-to-year increase. So we all know everything that Meta is involved in: Facebook, Instagram, all your little social media apps. So they're prone to go up or down. Maybe it all depends on all the extra stuff they going on. Now they're trying to tap into the AI business too. So it's always good to just keep your eye on them and see which way they're going to go. We always say, like, watch what they do first and then invest accordingly. Don't just jump in there. Earnings is a tricky thing to play. You don't want to get caught up in that. So next, we're going to look at Amazon's earnings. So Amazon's earnings reports on October the 30th, 2025, and it has some mixed investor reaction. So despite beating earnings estimates in quarter two, Amazon stock declined after issuing a lower operating income forecast for quarter three, raising concerns about competition and AI spending. So they're trying to diversify their stream of revenue. So Amazon's business model is more diversified than Netflix, which with a strong contribution from its AWS cloud server and a growing advertising base. So that's always good. That AWS server is connected to so many things we've just seen over the past days. So that in itself will help Amazon go whichever way. It's hard to tell. It's hard to predict. But in quarter three, the analysts project the company's forecast revenue in a range of 174 billion to 179.5 billion. So they're still expected to go up. Once again, Amazon is tied into so much of our daily lives, whether we know it or not. They have a hand in pretty much everything. So they initially could go down. They're never going to fall off, but you always just want to watch and see what it does and move accordingly. As we always say, watch what the chart says first. That's why you watch earnings. You don't necessarily play it unless you really got a good handle on things and you really know the stock market. You don't want to really play earnings. You want to watch earnings and see what they do. And then after earnings, you move accordingly on how you want to invest. So that's our bit of advice, not any type of don't take it. This is just what we would do. So moving on down next, Dr. E is going to do some charting for us. All right, everybody. I know you love the way the Dr. E just charted that for you. So let us know down there in the chat what you think Amazon and Meta is going to do for earnings.
Exactly.
Do you think they're going to go up or they're going to go down, or just give you give us your analysis of things?
Exactly. Yeah, please let us know what you think. Let us know if you actually are holding positions right now and you are wondering, hey, should I let go? Should I wait? If it's a long term, definitely just hold.
Hold.
Oh yeah, hold,
Yeah.
hold.
Right.
It's temporary.
And that's not advice.
No, exactly. No, if it was me, I would definitely hold.
Yes.
Unless it just start breaking all types of support areas or things like that.
Right.
Yeah. So definitely let us know what you think. Make sure you get your stock journal. Your stock journal is where you can write down everything that you have going on
Yes.
while you are trading.
And we
So
got that journal for you down there at the
in
in the
the
link
yes,
at the bottom. So please go ahead and click on get you one. You're gonna love it. It's beautiful. Beautiful person made it. It's great.
exactly. And then also, please make sure that you also join our community. Like,
Yes.
why go at this trading alone? Trading alone can be daunting.
Yeah.
You could be in your own head. We can help make sure that we get your mentality right, that you have some ideal trades that you may consider taking as well. You'll see our live trades exactly at the same time
Yeah.
that we decide to take them. So it's definitely an opportunity for you to grow as a trader.
Because nothing's better than being with like-minded traders. You know what I
Yes.
mean? We all think alike, not think alike, but we all got the same motivation of being in the stock market. So,
Exactly. So we definitely don't want you to be a part of that group of people who tries trading and ends up not doing well. We definitely want you to be on that 1% of
right.
things. So definitely feel free to click on the link below, jump into our community,
Like and subscribe.
and get the book. All
Right.
right. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Keep trading.
Bye. Hey, you guys, we really hope you enjoyed that last episode.
And if you're really ready to keep transforming, go ahead and jump into that next lab episode. The one right here. Down here, the link right here.
It's probably over here.
Or there, or here, link, click. Go ahead. You got it.